Very good morning, friends and channel viewers. Myself, Dr. M.H. Channaya, and in this video, we are going to work out a very important problem on a hexagonal lamina, which is resting on HP on one of the sides, while the opposite side is resting on VP. So one of the side is on HP and the opposite side is on VP, with the surface making equal inclinations with HP and VP. So what does it mean? That means the surface of the lamina is making 45 degrees with HP and also 45 degrees with VP, because VP and HP are perpendicular to each other. Since we will go ahead by drawing the top and front views of the lamina when it is resting on HP with one of the edges, say this edge AB, normal to VP or perpendicular to VP. And friends, in this position, in the top view, we see a regular hexagon of side 30 mm. And in the front view, you are going to see a line. So friends, I am going to construct a hexagon here A, B, C, D, E and F, and the top front view of that is going to be a line on XY. So this is the line on XY. So remember, whenever any lamina rests on HP, irrespective of its orientation, the front view is always a line on XY. This is a very important concept. And this is the lamina. It is surface of the lamina is in contact with HP like this, and hence it is not making any angle with HP. So now friends, we know very well it is making an angle of 45 degrees with HP. So I am going to redraw this front view, that line M, at an angle of 45 degrees. That is, we'll call this as A dash B dash. This is D dash E dash, and the midpoint of that is A B C D E. Last is D E, center is C and F. C dash F dash. And friends, again remember, this is the length M. So whatever the length I am showing here is the length of the front view. This length and this length are the same. And friends, here this angle is theta, that is 45 degree, that is specified in the problem. Friends, I would like to give a small clue here. Instead of giving this angle here, they might also give you, it makes an angle with HP such that this side AB, which is on VP, is at a height of say some 20 millimeter above HP. That way also it could be given. Friends, now for this front view, let us obtain the corresponding top view. So I am going to write vertical lines through all these, and then we'll get the top view again here, friends. So on this you have got A and B. So draw a horizontal through this. You get this point as A, and similarly from here you are going to get the point B. So you have got AB. This AB will also be 30. And similarly friends, here you get F, and here on the other end of this A you get E, and this point is going to be C here. So the A, B, C, this point is D, this is E, and this point is F. So I got all the 6 corners of the lamina. We will join them by straight line like this, or by straight line, friends. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, and F to A. And this is how the lamina looks when the surface is at some angle. So what happens, friends? These two edges, that is ED and AB, which are perpendicular to VP, will have the same length, whereas these other four edges will have the reduced length in the top view because they are inclined at an angle. So friends, these are the front view and top view. For this much, if you complete, and if the question is for 15 marks, you are going to get 5 plus 5, 10 marks up to here. Now friends, what does it say in the question finally? It touches HP by one of these sides and the opposite touches VP. Friends, the side on HP is AB, that AB is here, and the side on VP is ED. So friends, I have to redraw this figure such that, that is, this figure ABCDEF is to be redrawn by enclosing this in a box, a rectangular box. We'll call it as PQRS, such that this ED, the side ED, should be on XY. That means this box I am going to reproduce here. This is the box, friends. This box is, this ED should be on this. So ED means SR I should write here. This is S, this is R, this is P, and this is Q. You might ask me, why sir, not the other way? So here SR contains ED. In this box, ED. Since DE is on VP, you should get D dash or the top view DE here. And so after getting that, you can get mark all these points. Suppose I want to mark DE from S to E, measure this distance and get that point. Similarly, on the other end, by drawing vertical line through that, you get a point here, another point here, and exactly between these SP and QR, you are going to get two more points. And you should know exactly which are those points. Friends, DE is on VP, so we will write a horizontal line. And before that, let me complete this. The DE should be here. So DE, near to R is D. So this is D I will call, and this is going to be E, A, B, C, D. This is A, B, C exactly in between, and this point is F, A, B, C, D, E, F. We got all the 6 points or 6 corners of the lamina. We will join them by straight line, show them by visible lines. So this is how friends the lamina looks in the top view finally. So I will mark it as top view. Friends, corresponding to this, let us see how the front view looks. And you also know very well, in both the front view and top view, it has to be a distorted hexagon with parallel sides having 30 millimeter. Now friends, A and B lie on this. So I will mark it as A and B here. So this is A dash, this is B dash. Vertical from B, horizontal from B, with the intercept will give you that. And friends, on this you should have D and E. And exactly in between these two, you are going to have the other 2 points. So friends, C and F should lie here on this line. So vertical from F, vertical from C. And these 2 points will be, one is F dash, other is C dash. Next friends, AB above this. If we extend it further friends here, you will get 2 more points here, and these points will be A, B, C. This is D dash and this is E dash. And friends, we have all the 6 corners of the lamina. We will join them by straight line. These are the values. And friends, remember these sides, namely E dash, D dash, AB, both in top view and front view, will have the same measurement. I will show you like this. So it is how this is placed. So this will be 30, ED will be 30. I'll simply mark it here to give a clear picture of the problem. This is 30, this is also 30, 30, 30. Now friends, this is the final front view of the lamina and this is the top view already we have got. Now friends, after completion of the solution, you may have to verify on your own whether the solution you have got or the projections you have obtained finally are correct or wrong. So how to verify friends? Now the simple thing is the lamina is resting on one of the sides on HP and the opposite side is touching VP. So the side touching VP and the side on HP, they will have the same measurement 30, 30. And then surface is making equal inclination with HP and VP. So in a figure having even number of sides, if it is making equal inclination with HP and VP, for example, particularly in this case, whatever the front view you have got is exactly identical to that of the top view. The front view and top view will have the same measurements. That is the case when the surface of the lamina is equally inclined to the reference planes, namely VP and HP. So friends, if you measure any of these dimensions, suppose ED equal to this value and this value is equal to this, all will tally. And friends, so after this completion of the problem, you will be asked to find out what is the distance of the side touching VP from HP. So this distance they might ask you, what is this distance? Distance of the side touching VP from HP. And again, distance of the side AB touching HP from VP. And friends, if you measure these distances, these two will be same in this particular problem because of the equal inclination of the surface of the lamina with HP and VP. And friends, this is how we are able to complete the projections of the given lamina. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel till today, don't forget to subscribe today itself, and you share the information about my videos and my channel with all your friends. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.